love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello people, I'm back today with a new video. My name is Aryan and I just made a new search assistant from Python. It can be compared with renowned virtual assistants like Siri, Cortana, Bixby, Google and Alexa. So after hearing this you might guess that it's so cool. So in this video I will just be showing you some of its specifications. So let me run this thing right now. So let's wait until the program gets debugged. So it's almost a 1025 lines of programs handwritten by me. So it has various kind of options. It can call, it can text, it can think and say something, it can read, it can take screenshots, it can shut down, it can close files, it can open YouTube, open terminals, say today's time, say the weather, search Wikipedia, and also say whether I am free or not. So, and let me tell you another cool feature about this. If any emails are received during the time you're using your
Starting
PC,
engine. Collecting required resources. Initializing. Getting information from the CPU. Contacting with mail services.
so that at the time you're gonna get notified about that.
Good afternoon.
You can see it's getting load.
The current temperature on Kathmandu is 31.0 degrees Celsius. The estimated maximum temperature for today, Monday, 25 May 2020 on Kathmandu is 31.0 degrees Celsius. The estimated minimum temperature for today, Monday, 25 May 2020 on Kathmandu is 31.0 degrees Celsius. The air is 33% humid today. I am DragonZpyder, sir. Now it is 2:54 p.m. None. You slept for 41 hours. You have 6 events on this day. You have Nepali class at 9. You have science class at 10. You have C.Maths class at 11. You have English class at 12. You have social class at 13:15. You have homework time at 15. No new messages in your inbox. Now, I am ready for your commands. Please tell me, how may I help you?
I guess it's ready for its command. So, hi Dragon. Okay.
Hello Aryan.
Text dad.
Okay Aryan, please say me the content.
Hi dad, how are you?
Message sent.
Let's wait for the notification to arrive. I have my dad's phone right here. So you guys must have heard that. Wait, let me just take a screenshot of this. Till that time, I can also...
Screenshot taken.
No,
What do you want to save it as?
nothing. Oh no. Most probably it's executing some of the
Do you
wrong
want me to
commands.
show it?
Yes. So I just executed a command right here. You can see. Now it's gonna open that file. That file which you just saved as a screenshot. Now it's opening that. You saw this thing over here. I just got this now. Now let me execute another command. Hi Dragon. Hi Dragon.
Hello Aryan.
See, this is the file that just now it's saved. Hi Dragon.
Yes Aryan.
Call mother.
Seems like you have not registered the contact in my database Aryan, so I can't call mother. Trying to call mother on plus 977 985 118 9900.
So let's check this one. Let's wait till the ringtone arrives. Or maybe I just saw this thing. Now let's just mute it. Okay, let me execute another command. Hi Dragon. Hi Dragon.
On your command, sir.
Do I have plans on Saturday?
You have 6 events on this day.
You guys
You have
saw
O.
that.
Maths class at 9. You have Nepali at 10. You have C. Maths class at 11. You have computer class at 12. You have English class at 13:15. You have homework time at 15.
Now if I say beatbox,
Sir,
beatbox for me. That's cool, right? Beatbox for me. Now it's gonna execute another command. I really like this thing now. Who is the president of USA?
searching for now who is the president of USA in my database. Donald Trump, from 20/01/2017 to present.
Now, if I say locate Kathmandu.
According to my database, Kathmandu lies here.
Okay, let's see. It's opening right here. Okay, it's opening. Now, if I just try to execute another command right here now. If I say dragon to... Hi dragon. Hi dragon.
Waiting for your command, sir.
What's the weather in USA?
Searching for what's the weather in USA in my database.
So it has just located the Kathmandu right here.
Temperature 16 degrees Celsius. Conditions partly cloudy. Relative humidity 93%. Dew point 14 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 3 m/s. 23 minutes ago.
Okay, that's cool. Now, if I ask him to... Hi dragon.
Hello Aryan.
How were you developed?
Sorry boss, I am not allowed to reveal all of my secrets.
Who is the current Prime Minister in Nepal?
Searching for who is the current Prime Minister in Nepal in my database. Kajia Prasad Oli, from 15/02/2018 to present.
Oh, that's good. Thank you, dragon.
Welcome.
Next time, even if I say thank you, dragon, then it's gonna execute.
Don't mention.
Did you see that? Thank you, dragon. I just go and say, hey, dragon.
Yes, Aryan.
Repeat my speech.
Okay, starting to listen. Aryan sir, start speaking.
Hey, I'm Aryan. So, dragon, you're just gonna repeat my speech and you're gonna enjoy, okay? Thank you.
Aryan sir said, hey American dragon, repeat my speech and enjoy, okay? Should I save the file?
No. Now, if I just try to say, tell me a joke.
Once my brother who never used to drink was arrested for over-drinking when I late had gone and asked him why were you arrested. He replied he had not brushed since a week.
Wow.
Do you want more?
Yes.
A child asked his father, how were people born? So his father said, Adam and Eve made babies, then their babies became adults and made babies, and so on. The child then went to his mother, asked her the same question, and she told him, we were monkeys, then we evolved to become like we are now. The child ran back to his father and said, you lied to me. His father replied, no, your mom was talking about her side of the family.
Wow, that's cool. Thank you.
Don't mention. I was created by Aryan on 11th of April on 2020.
Who is Aryan?
Searching for who is Aryan in my database. Aryan is my developer, my teacher, the one who taught me how to be a good, wise, smart, and an intelligent person. DragonZpyder was previously his name, and since he left the hacking world he gave this name to me and started programming with Python, then created me. Now I am proud to be DragonZpyder at last.
Tell me more about you. Say something.
What's your name?
I'm Aryan. Sometimes it's gonna execute some bad commands, so if I just go and say him, translate.
Say the language to translate in.
Portuguese.
What to translate?
Hey, I am a good boy.
Hey, I am a good boy in PT Ishaiusu menino.
What was that, man? If anyone viewers from Portugal, then you might comment it was right or wrong. So if I just say another thing named, what is today's date?
Searching for what is today's date in my database. Monday, May 25th, 2020. Today is Monday, 25 May 2020.
Now, even if I say it again, beatbox for me. Beatbox for me. You can see it's executing something another than the first one. Make a note.
What would you like me to write down?
Hey YouTube, how are you?
I've made a note of that.
Okay guys, so if I just go and pick up my phone and just send a message to this on Gmail, then let's check whether it's gonna report about the new message or not. So let me just go and compose a new mail right here. To raise our revolution at gmail.com. Let's post hi. Okay, I've just sent this message from my phone. Now let me just tell you another feature of this thing. Hi Dragon. Type.
Okay, I am listening. Speak Aryan, sir.
Hi. This is my first typing on Google Chrome. If I just go to Wikipedia, let me just go to Wikipedia, and I can also do some text such as, okay, Wikipedia. I just go to Wikipedia and let me just show for someone basic, someone good people. Okay. Let me search about Pele, and okay, Pele. After I just search about Pele, then just let me just do this thing. First of all, let me just do till award. Hi Dragon. No need for that thing, man. There must be some error regarding this ID, so let me just go and do it from Python W. So Python W is a version of Python which allows you to run your Python programs in the background. So let me just start this thing. So now that I just started this program, now I'm just gonna select these. Hi Dragon.
Yes, Aryan.
Read.
Edson Arantes do Nascimento, Brazilian Portuguese, Etso, W. Arantes do Nascimento, born October 23, 1940, known as Pelé, Pele, is a Brazilian retired professional footballer who played as a forward.
So
He
he's
is widely
reading right
regarded
now.
as one of the greatest players of all time. In 1999, he was voted World Player of the Century by the International Federation of Football History and Statistics, IFS, and was one of the 2 joint winners of the FIFA Player of the Century award.
If I just say hi Dragon.
On your command, sir.
Open a new incognito window. If I say www.protectedtext.com/ if I just let me scroll in this thing, protectedtext.com/ppp. What happened to it? P protected text. No, I'm sorry. Sorry, my apologies.
Okay, Aryan, please say me the content.
For what?
Failure in sending message.
That should be right. Text.com/. Let me just open this thing now. It's opening, right? This is already used. Okay, now let me open another. Okay. So now if I just say him to hi Dragon. Hi Dragon.
Hello, Aryan.
Copy.
Text copy to clipboard.
Hi Dragon.
Hello, Aryan.
Paste the text.
Okay, Aryan, please say me the content. Failure in sending message.
Okay. Hi Dragon.
Hello, Aryan. Thank you, Aryan, for giving your time. I had fun serving you. Have a good time. Closing engine. Closing required applications.
You guys must probably have seen that. It was quite good. It was made by me. And if you like my tutorial, if you like the video, then I will also be making a full base tutorial. Please mention that thing on the comments down below. So I was influenced from Iron Man's JARVIS, so which I had come to make this thing now. Still one more, most probably, still a more thing is left for this to be executed, and that is the email call, which I'll be showing in the next video. So if you had liked this video, just go and leave a thumbs up down below, and if you have some suggestions for me, don't forget to comment down below. And another thing, for Portuguese viewer, for all those Portuguese viewers who ever have watched this video, you can just go down and say whether that translated text was right or wrong. And you can search the Wikipedia, you can type, you can undo, you can redo, and so that much for today. So now let me just end the stream right here. Okay.